Hello guys, this is Christian and you are welcome back to your Don't Have channel. So in this series of tutorials, I'm going to walk you through how you can build a real world application which is Chatapp, okay? And we are going to use React Native to build it. So in this course, I'm assuming you know nothing about React Native, so I'm going to start from scratch and build everything together with you, okay? So this is my login page or login screen, okay? And I would like to log in. So I've already signed up, so I'll just sign in, okay? And look, when you click on the sign in, beautiful, the loading indicator, and then now it's open, right? So this is the interface, okay? So I can just send a message, say hi, okay? And now let's see what happens after the hi. So now I'm using a different phone to just reply to the chat, okay? So I'll reply hello. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay, you see Patrick has replied. Okay, now you can ask Patrick, how are you doing? Right, look, beautiful. So you see, now we can also reply to our own messages. Let's say look, so let's say hey, right? Good. You see now everything is working, right? So this is how the app is going to behave. And here you have some plus button here. You can add, you've already added some default text here, which you can just click on one of them. You are welcome. Good. See, it has sent. So you can also add some emojis, right? Good. So now the top here too, when you click on this three dots here, you can edit your profile, you can log out, right? So let's go to edit, and now you can edit this too. Let's change the name to Christian, right? So Christian, and let's submit it. Done. Right, good. So now this is how the app is going to look like, right? We're going to build it from scratch, and let me show you something. Look, when I off my data, look, see, I'm getting a notification that no internet connection. Let me on it. Look, it's gone, right? So this is some of the functionalities we are going to implement, okay? So stick with me and let's build this app together. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and join this community. See you.